Hey, it's a beautiful day, it's a wonderful time, and this is JLJ's World. This is the channel that brings you educational videos from all scopes of life. All you need to do is to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can never miss out on any of the videos that I post. This is Forex Trading for Beginners course, part 2. Did you know that Forex Market is the largest market in the world? Yes, it has a turnover of $6 trillion a day. Woo! This is my country's annual budget for the next 100 years. Yes, 100 years. This means that everyone can get their share, be it a farmer, a student, a work-at-home mom, any other person. As long as you're willing to learn, I am here to help you begin your trading journey. I'll be sharing my experiences, both good and bad, as a Forex trader for the past 4 years. Yes, the good and the bad. When I talk of the bad, you don't want to know. But when I talk of the good, nothing good comes easy. And that is why I will share my experiences as a Forex trader only on this channel. Remember, this is totally free. So kindly guys, appreciate me by subscribing to this channel, leave a like if you love this content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to begin trading Forex. So I'm going to let the intro and the disclaimer part play, and as that happens, please hit the subscribe button for me, please. See you in a second. This is JLJ's World. Now, to start trading Forex, you need a Forex broker. It is practically impossible to trade without a broker, especially as a retail trader. So the question is, who is a Forex broker? A Forex broker is a financial services company that provides traders with access to a platform for buying and selling foreign currencies. Forex brokers also provide access to the market by offering leverage to traders. We shall talk about leverage in another tutorial. For one to begin trading Forex, you have to open an account with a Forex broker of your choice. And then you fill in the required details for verification purposes. And once your account is verified, you can now deposit funds into the account and you will be ready to trade. Wait. Just before you begin trading, there is one more thing you need from the broker. You need a trading platform. The most common trading platforms are MetaTrader 4 and TradingView.com. MetaTrader 4 is widely used since it is user-friendly, and it is commonly abbreviated as MT4. There is also an advanced version of MetaTrader 4 called MetaTrader 5, abbreviated as MT5. There are other platforms such as NetDania and CTrader, which are offered depending on the broker you choose. These trading platforms can be downloaded from the broker's website to your PC. And for Android users, you can easily download the MT4 and the MT5 trading platforms from your Play Store application on your phones. For learning and practice purposes, the broker provides you with a demo account that simulates what happens in a real account. So don't worry, you won't use your money to practice trading. You only use real cash when you're equipped with the right skills. And that is why I'm here to help you learn the skills you need. So stay put and remember to subscribe. Oh, I know you are asking yourself, where do I get the Forex brokers? For sure, there are so many Forex brokers. All you need to do is find out whether they are regulated in your country or not. Using a regulated broker helps protect your money in any case issues arise with your broker. Here in Kenya, as of this year 2021, there are 3 regulated Forex brokers. I have put their links in the description below so that you can check them out and open an account with them. Of course, it is very free. Remember, you can also use brokers who are not in your country. Just ensure that they are regulated by a renowned international regulatory body. And in my case, I am a fan of IC markets, and I'm not promoting them, but I have traded with them for the past 3 years and I've not had any issues with them. I have also left their link in the description below. Feel free to open an account with them. After opening an account, it is important to note that Forex is traded in currency pairs. These currency pairs are represented by their symbols. For example, when the European dollar is paired against the US dollar, the pair is written as EUR USD. The EUR represents Euro or European dollar, while the USD represents the US dollar. The symbol on the left is called a base currency and is usually the strongest in the pair, while the symbol to the right is called the quote currency and is usually the weak one in the pair. And in this case, since the euro is stronger than the USD, it will be written as EUR USD and not USD euro. Okay, let us look at another example. When the British pound GBP is paired with the New Zealand dollar NZD, the pair is written as GBP NZD. The GBP is written first and then NZD follows. The GBP will be written first since it is the base currency and it is stronger than NZD, while NZD will be written second because it is weaker to GBP. That is why the pairs are written as GBP NZD and not NZD GBP. Please take note of that. Now that we have learned about currency pairs, let us look at the types of currency pairs. Currency pairs are categorized into majors, crosses, and exotics. Major currency pairs are mainly USD pairs, and they are the most traded pairs. They include Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, AUD USD, and NZD USD, also called the Kiwi. And then we have cross-currency pairs. These are non-USD pairs. For example, we have pound crosses, yen crosses, and the euro crosses. For the pound crosses, we have GBP JPY, GBP NZD, and GBP AUD, among others. For the yen crosses, examples are Euro JPY, NZD JPY, and AUD JPY. And for the euro crosses, we have Euro AUD, Euro CHF, and Euro GBP. Finally, we have exotic currency pairs. Now, these are currency pairs from developing countries. A good example is the USD ZAR, that is US dollar against the South African rand. Please note that this cannot be a major pair only because it has USD in it. It is described as an exotic pair since it contains the South African rand from South Africa, which is a developing country. Other exotic pairs include USD MXN, USD NOK, USD SGD, and others. Again, you will realize in the course of your trading that exotic pairs usually have large spreads. But if you get them at the right point, you can really make some good amount of money out of them. But I don't advise you to trade exotic pairs if your capital is small. We shall see that in the course of these tutorials. That's all I had for today, guys. Please stay alert for the next video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. By the way, sharing is caring. Share with your friends and let us learn together. Wishing you all the best in your trading. Thank you. Bye bye.